So now we have the boys 1,000 underway. It's a field of 7, it looks like, and if there's one guy to look out for, it's the future Duke Blue Devil from Christ School, Dawson Reeves. He's U.S. number 12 in this event right now with his 2:29.51. But right now it's Mike Maresca, the hometown Monsignor Farrell runner, who has the lead. Not positive if Reeves is out there at the moment. Again, Christ School in North Carolina, so no guarantees that those guys were able to make it here. If they did, that would be incredibly impressive. We do have the Manhasset guys in this, though. Ryan Boldi and Cole Thalheimer, 2 gents who qualified for the state meet in that event out of Section 8. They've been really trying to peak nicely, and they're right in it. Boldi, then Thalheimer in second and third, followed by Raymond Walls of Brooklyn Tech. So through 600 meters, the split 133. Boldi now assumes the lead. And not just in the 1,000, but we got to talk about the Manhasset 4x8 as they took second at Millrose, becoming the first team in New York to break 8 minutes this season with a 7:57. So they're going to be the team with the target on their backs as we head towards New York States next week. And having the ability to run an extra 200 meters ought to help their strength. But back comes Mike Maresca with the glasses for Monsignor Farrell. And the other city boy from Brooklyn Tech, Walls, is right there on the shoulder of Boldi. Matthew Krasuski of Nathan Hale Ray in the white in fourth, trying to represent for Connecticut. But Mike Maresca, Long Island and Staten Island, and the great borough of Brooklyn. Off the turn, Maresca holds down the fort. Ryan Boldi with a good run in second. And looked like Edwin Aleva ended up getting up for third. So Farrell 1-3 there. 2:35.39 for Maresca.